This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos Guyanese style, updated. Start by gathering fresh ingredients: protein, aromatics, herbs, and bold spices. Use a balance of savory, tangy, and subtle heat to honor Guyanese palate. Prep aromatics first, then marinate protein briefly while chopping toppings. Toast tortillas lightly for texture. Assemble just before serving to keep shells crisp and flavors bright, then enjoy warm family style. Start with quality protein and fresh herbs to capture Guyanese character in each bite. Season aggressively but taste as you go to balance salt, acid, and heat. Prepare a quick chutney or salsa with lime, peppers, and onion to brighten flavors. Keep textures varied: creamy sauce, crunchy veg, and tender meat. Finish with a sprinkle of chopped greens and a squeeze of lime for an instantly lively taco experience. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while prepping spicy, hands-on meals, and it fits neatly on crowded counters. It's a small convenience that makes long cooking sessions easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Cook protein over medium-high heat to lock in juices and build savory crust. Warm tortillas until flexible, then stack and cover to keep warm. Spread a thin layer of sauce on each tortilla to prevent sogginess, then add protein, crisp vegetables, and finishing herbs. Taste a test taco and adjust seasoning with more salt or lime. Serve immediately with extra chutney on the side for dipping and sharing around the table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.